Look around you. Each one of us here has a story of aspirations, of dreams, and inevitably, a story of bumps in the road. Because life, my friends, is not a smooth, unblemished path. It's a journey filled with twists, turns, unexpected detours, and sometimes seemingly insurmountable obstacles. Today, I want to talk about those moments, the moments that knock the wind out of your sails, the setbacks that make you question your capabilities, the adversities that threaten to derail your progress and extinguish your flame. We've all been there. Perhaps it was a project that failed despite your best efforts, a personal loss that left you reeling, a career setback that felt like a dead end, or a challenge that seemed simply too big to conquer. In those moments, it's easy to feel defeated, discouraged, and to want to throw in the towel. It's easy to let the shadows of doubt consume you. But here's the truth, the powerful, undeniable truth. Adversity is not the end of your story, it's a pivotal chapter. It's not a barrier to your success, it's an unexpected stepping stone. It's not a sign of your weakness, it's an opportunity to discover your immense strength. The difference between those who merely survive adversity and those who truly thrive lies in their ability to turn setbacks into comebacks. It's about recognizing that every challenge, every disappointment, every fall carries with it the seed of an equal or greater opportunity. Think about it. A setback forces you to reevaluate. It pushes you to analyze what went wrong, to learn from your mistakes, and to adjust your approach. Without failure, innovation often stagnates. Adversity builds character. It strips away the superficial and reveals the core of who you are. It hones your resilience, strengthens your resolve, and deepens your understanding of yourself and the world around you. Overcoming a challenge fuels incredible growth. The feeling of surmounting something difficult, of pushing past your perceived limits, is one of the most empowering experiences life can offer. It builds a reservoir of confidence that you can draw upon for future challenges. So, how do we turn these setbacks into spectacular comebacks? How do we build that unshakable resilience? 1. Acknowledge the pain, but don't dwell in it. It's okay to feel the sting of disappointment, to grieve a loss, or to be frustrated. But don't allow those emotions to paralyze you. Feel them, process them, and then consciously choose to move forward. 2. Learn relentlessly. Every setback is a masterclass in disguise. Ask yourself, what did I learn from this? What could I have done differently? How can I apply this lesson to future endeavors? 3. Embrace a growth mindset. Understand that your abilities are not fixed. You have the power to grow, to adapt, and to develop new skills. See challenges as opportunities to expand your capacity. 4. Cultivate a strong support system. You don't have to face adversity alone. Lean on your friends, family, mentors, or colleagues. Share your struggles and allow others to offer encouragement and perspective. 5. Focus on what you can control. In times of adversity, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by circumstances beyond your control. Shift your energy to the things you can influence, your attitude, your effort, and your next steps. 6. Celebrate small victories. The road to a comeback isn't always a giant leap. It's often a series of small, consistent steps. Acknowledge and celebrate each bit of progress, no matter how minor it seems. 7. Remember your why. When the going gets tough, reconnect with your purpose, your passion, and the reasons you started in the first place. This why will be your anchor in the storm. My friends, life will undoubtedly throw more curveballs our way. There will be moments when you stumble, when you fall, and when you feel like giving up. But I urge you in those moments to remember the power you hold within you, the power to learn, the power to adapt, and the power to rise again. Because it is not in the absence of adversity that we truly shine, but in our unwavering courage to confront it, to learn from it, and to emerge from it stronger, wiser, and more resilient than ever before. Let every setback be a springboard for a magnificent comeback. Let every challenge be an opportunity to build a character that inspires and a future that defies limitations. Thank you.